How to use hashtags on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, make sure that you understand the purpose of hashtag. In actual, hashtag categorize content, making it discoverable to users interested in specific topics. They also help TikTok's algorithm understand what your video is about, aiding in its distribution. And secondly, it is very crucial to use relevant hashtags. Use trending hashtags when applicable, but also ensure that they fit your video's theme. Another thing that you should consider before using hashtag is its limitation. Limit the number of hashtags. Use 3 or 5 hashtags per post to maintain clarity and avoid clutter. Overusing your hashtag can also make your content appear spammy. You can also explore and discover pages or search for hashtag relevant to your niche to find popular and trending ones. Lastly, you have to analyze your performance. Monitor the performance of your videos to see which hashtags drive more engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. That's all for today. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.